flip game is real. I can get you to 100. I can get you to 100 with Craigslist and Letgo and Etsy and eBay. But I think 2019 will be the year of the flip. I literally think I'm very passionate about it.
Gary Vee is a massive influencer on Instagram with over 7 million followers and over 2 million subscribers on YouTube. He often talks about how you can make money online flipping items online. And so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to dive into this specific method of making money online and show you guys, if you were to actually use Gary Vee's method to make money, how would you actually do it? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz. In this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So the concept is quite simple. Number one, you find something that's free or very cheap. And number two, you take that item and you list it online and sell it for a profit. The main reason why Gary talks a lot about this method is because anyone can do this. You can do this from anywhere in the world, mainly because the websites that you're going to be using to sell and flip your items are available worldwide. Websites like Amazon and eBay, you can utilize these websites to pretty much sell anything that you want. You can typically sell it for a 30% profit, perhaps in some cases up to 50% profit. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you some resources that you can use if you want to make money online flipping items. I'm going to show you some of the places that you can find items for sale quite cheap so you can use them to flip them and make a profit. I'm also going to show you some of the tools that you can utilize to do your research and see if something is actually selling online so you can make a profit. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you that if you want to learn how to build a business online where you can make money selling other people's stuff, you can utilize something called affiliate marketing. Now, what I've done is I created a free affiliate marketing guide, which you can download in the description below, with over 40 pages teaching you how you can make money with affiliate marketing, selling other people's stuff by simply utilizing platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So if you guys want to grab it, you can download it 100% free by clicking the link in the description below. So the first thing you're going to need is to find items that you can sell online, items that you can flip and you can make a profit. And sometimes one of the best places to find items like this is locally. So if you go on websites like Craigslist has a for sale section which you can research by category, and you can find in some cases very cheap items. Best of all, Craigslist has a free section where if you click on that free section, you're going to find a ton of different products that people are basically just giving away because they want to get rid of it. So if you take the time to research, if you spend 30 minutes, an hour a day to research some of the stuff that people are giving away, you'll find that in most cases, you can take some of those items and you can list them on eBay or Amazon and actually make a profit. Another good source to find local items that you can flip online is the Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace has become one of the largest marketplaces for pretty much selling anything online. If you go on the Facebook Marketplace, you can also research by category and you'll find a ton of different products that people are just selling. They want to get rid of it. You can take those items and you can research on eBay or Amazon and you can list them and make a profit. And in most cases, people don't want to go through the hassle of listing an item for sale on Amazon or eBay. They just prefer to sell it on Facebook Marketplace by simply just taking a picture and just trying to get rid of an item. So when it comes to local deals where you can find good items that you can flip to make a profit, Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace are two of the best resources that you can use. But these are online resources. Now, if you actually take the time to go to any store like Walmart, TJ Maxx, whatever store you want to visit, you'll usually find that they have a clearance section. You'll find items that they want to sell and they'll sell it really cheap. You can grab them at a discount and then make a profit by simply selling those items online. So whenever you go out to any store, look for the clearance section and find items that you believe are selling well online and then research those items to see if they can make you a profit. A lot of free tools out there that can help you research items to see how much they're selling for on websites like eBay and Amazon. I'm going to share with you some of these websites in this video so you can have these tools with you at all times. So whenever you stumble upon a good item that you believe can sell online and you can make a good profit, then you can utilize these resources to check prices to see if the item is actually selling online. A website that you can use to research products that are being sold on Amazon. So if you want to check prices to see how much they're selling for on Amazon, it's called camelcamel.com. priceparrots.com. This is a price checking website that basically you can enter any item you want on this tool, and it'll tell you how much it's selling for on Amazon and whether or not the price has changed recently in the past few weeks. So this could be a very useful tool if you want to track different prices of an item that you want to sell. And the whole concept of this is to basically get an idea on how much you're going to price your item and whether or not you'll be able to sell the item at that price. Another good tool if you want to use it for price check on eBay, it's called checkaflip.com. On this website, you'll be able to check prices on any item that you type, and basically you'll be able to compare prices and see how much they're selling for. Now, if you want a tool that can compare multiple prices from different stores at the same time, priceparrots.com is one of those websites where basically you can enter the name of the item and it will actually research and find those products on eBay and Amazon. It'll tell you how much they're selling for, and so you can get an idea of the prices. If you find an item that you want to list on Amazon or eBay, whether it's selling more on eBay or Amazon, it'll help you decide whether or not to sell it on eBay or Amazon. Now remember, this is all about finding items, cheap items or free items that you can flip online and make a profit, but you still have to physically ship those items to the customers when you do sell those items. Another way of flipping items online is utilizing drop shipping. Drop shipping is quite popular online, mainly because you don't have to actually touch the product. And drop shipping is simply another way of flipping items online for a profit, because you're basically buying products from China at a very low cost. The difference is you're not actually touching the product yourself, mainly because the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, so you don't have to worry about that in-between process of shipping the item yourself. And there's a lot of people making money with drop shipping, but you do have to know exactly what you're doing. You do have to spend money on advertising. You might need to set up your own online store with Shopify, and there's a lot of in-between steps that might be a little bit difficult for someone who has never done any type of online business. And that's a little bit more advanced, but if you want some resources about drop shipping, I'm definitely going to put some link in the description below. But if you want to keep it simple, if you want to use Gary's method of making money online, you can definitely make an extra $1,000, $2,000 per month just flipping items online, finding items that are being sold very cheap on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and then flipping those items on eBay or Amazon and making a good profit. Keep in mind that this is just one way of making money online. There's a lot of different ways of making money online. There's a lot of different online businesses that you can start. Personally, I make most of my money from affiliate marketing and selling stuff online, but you have to find something that you like to do, something that you enjoy doing. And if flipping items is something that you enjoy to do because you like to go out on the weekends and find really good deals that you can later flip on eBay or Amazon and make money, then just go ahead and do it. It's all about taking action, and the more action you take, the more money you'll make. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.